Hi guys, Harry here from the Major Yacht Department at Berthon. We've just come back in from a successful trip on Impulse, which is a windy 46 Chinook 2018 model. Right guys, what can I say? This is probably one of the best boats Windy have ever produced. She's a windy 46 Chinook with one of the best specs I have ever seen on one of these boats. She was delivered in 2018, brand new. Berthon UK supplied to the current owners. And she is based on the handball. So we're starting in the cockpit. Here we have a burner hob on the wet bar, a separate sink and a hatch that hides all of that away. Typical Windy, really minimal, high quality stuff we're looking at here. You can see on the stern there we have a joystick when coming in to the berth, stern 2. Electric sliding table here that folds out when dining or sun lounging. She's finished in this Nyrox cream upholstery and, as you can see, matches the teak with the white corking. There I am at the helm. We took her out on a really lovely day to get some very good shots. A little height adjustment when coming into port, when standing with the sunroof, or you can just fold that back and use it as a footrest. Again, really high quality fittings here. With this anti-glare next tail dash, very useful when the sun's out. Height adjustment on the plotters, bow thruster, and obviously the IPS joystick, really cool feature on this boat. Got analog system and throttles and the Humphrey interceptors at the side here. Raymarine VHF, and you also have a bow thruster side power separate unit for when you're just coming in on the sticks. Again, opening windows either side when speaking to crew coming into port. Natural light coming into saloon and galley. Large sliding roof, lovely feature on this boat. Really opens up the space. Got the Raymarine radar and full surround sound fusion system. Really cool boat this. As you can tell, I am a bit of a fan. Let's take a look down into the accommodation. Coming down these not so steep stairs at all. It's a really light wooded area and light fabrics on all of the panels on the walls. A little seating area down here and full galley space, fridge, oven, burner hob, separate sink and worktop area. Lots and lots of storage, lots of plugs and lots of natural light coming in on these shark fin windows, which just offsets this boat and makes it look absolutely stunning while she's in the water and out of the water. Really lovely feature Windy have done here. Just taking a look back over the seating arrangement, and again that natural light coming in from the helm. Now, I must include the couple that own this boat have slept on her once, mostly used it as a day boat. This is the master. So she is absolutely immaculate down here and really untouched. I'll show you the other cabins where those berths have never been slept on. Looking in the master heads here. Got a separate shower with sliding doors, vacuum flush system in there and a separate sink. Just looking back at these stern cabins. Here we have another double. Really great condition. Lots of natural light coming in again, reading lights, separate hanging locker. And just looking in the third cabin here, we have a twin setup. Again, untouched, lots of natural light, very similar to the double, just with the singles and the reading light and the mirror and hanging lockers. Have a quick squeeze in this day heads. Has a separate shower, teak flooring, flush vacuum heads, and a lovely sink, vanity unit and mirror. Lots and lots of space in here. Just coming out into the cockpit again, as you see, a rather lovely day in the Solent today. Onto this large bathing platform. This is a high-low hydraulic bathing platform where the tender sits. Various fender lockers at the back here. Not just for fenders, you can fit warps and various other bits. Got a deck shower over to port and a separate gate. Step up here onto the side decks, full teak decks, large stainless steel grab handles all around, really safe walking around this boat. Onto the front, where we can find an electric windlass, separate locker, Lumar windlass, which can be operated up here or at the helm. Again, wrap around teak on the decks. Just looking back at that really great view and the lines of this boat, proper sporty boat this, and that roof just makes it when going along on a day like this.
Gonna close the sunroof?
Just walking back down to this rather lovely bathing platform again. Huge space back down here. Let's take a look at the engine room. So we have twin IPS down here. Fantastic system. They are on a D6 block for the IPS 600s. We've got a larger 7 kilowatt generator down here, extinguisher system, all battery banks, really well insulated. Minimal noise when going along. Lots of space to work around here. Hot water tank, etc. Really good space down there. Close that up. And now you can see I've just closed that roof for you to get a better idea of what she looks like with it fully closed. But again, having that open section at the back really makes the boat a fantastic place to be. Please let us know if you would like further details or arrange a viewing. Thank you. Rather stunning day near I can't remember where I'm going now, Harry.